Shetty.
And we came to the holistic resort from Bangalore, and we stayed here for 2 days. It's been a great experience because this place is amidst the natural jungle and everything is blended in with the jungle very nicely. And apart from all of this, there are all the facilities you'll ever need. If you want to do a vacation, this is a nice place to do because Wi-Fi speed is very good and it's available throughout the campus. And yeah, there's an amazing waterfall with multi-level pool areas which will give you privacy and amazing bathing time amidst the nature. The water temperature was perfect. And yeah, there's a massage center as well, and there's an amazing kitchen with very well priced items and very delicious as well. And you have to taste the coffee here. It's just absolutely wonderful. And obviously the honey, if you want to take back something from here, take back the honey, because this is where everything is being cultivated and it is just out of this world.